Hi guys, so ngayon na laruin natin ay FNF 3 guys. FNAF 3 guys pala. So let's start. Begin tayo guys. So guys, may jump scare to guys. So medyo nantakot to. First night, 12 AM. First night, 12 AM guys. Mute natin to guys. Mute na lang natin. Guys, maganda kasi yung sound na nakakatawa. So paglaruan ko lang ito guys. Wala pa naman tao dito guys. Ito naman dito si William Afton. For AM na guys. 4 AM. Tapusin na natin to yung 5 night guys. Siguro hindi ko alam. Mamatay tayo dito guys. End of the video na guys. Pero kung manalo din tayo, kung mga 5 nights tayo dito, end of the video na rin guys. Sara na. 5 AM na guys. Yan guys, nanalo tayo first night. First night guys, nanalo tayo. Second night guys, second night na. Ano to guys? Magganito pa na dito. Si William Afton ba yan guys? Mamamatay ba ako dito? Lang, follow lang natin siya. Ano yun? Ano yun? Bakit bawal? Pwede ba ako dito? Dito na lang ako. Oh, ito namatay! What? Hindi namatay ba yun? Second night na guys. Second night. Mananalo ba? Hindi ko alam. Let's see. Mute natin to guys. Ayaw ko to. Mute natin yan. Hindi na matun guys oh. Si William Afton guys. Nandito na siya. Kita ba yung mata niya guys? Yan siya guys oh. Ayan siya guys oh. Ayan siya guys oh. Kita yun ba guys? So yan oh. Guys, 1 AM na. 1 AM na guys. Guys, 2 AM, 2 AM. Yan siya guys, oh. Yan siya guys, oh. Ito siya guys, oh. Ito siya. Yung nakakatakot pala dito. Nakakatakot pala to. Guys, ang pumatay kay Freddy. Si Freddy yun, di ba? Siya ba yun? Yung violet guy? Inspiration. Anong gagawin ko guys? Dito. Oh, dito. Ano yun? Bigla ako dun ah. Ano yun guys? Ano yun? Bakit nag-alarm? 5 AM na guys. Malapit na tayo manalo. No. Please, no. 5 AM na. Mananalo na ako. Nasaan na siya? Dito pa rin siya sa may ano. May vaccine na ulo. 5 AM na guys. Sana manalo tayo. Ayun! Manalo tayo guys. Third night na guys. Third night. Uy, si Bunny naman tayo guys, oh. Mamamatay din ba to? Pwede ba ako kalakat sa ano guys? Ibang direction. Ito si Freddy guys, oh. Guys, pwede na ba ako dyan? Hindi, bawal pa. Namatay din siya ako. Namatay din ako. Namatay din si Bonnie. Bakit namatay ako? Bakit namatay din si Bonnie? Ano ba meron dun guys?
Hello.
Yun siya guys,
For today's lesson, we will be continuing our training on proper suit handling techniques. When using an animatronic as a suit, please ensure that the animatronic parts are tightly compressed and fastened by the spring locks located around the inside of the suit.
guys.
It may take a few moments to position your head and torso between these parts in a manner
Yun siya
where
guys,
you
ayan
can
siya,
move
oh.
and speak. Try not to nudge or press against any of the spring locks inside the suit. Do not touch the spring locks at any time. Do not breathe on the spring locks.
Anti-stress
As
yun guys.
moisture may
Natakot
loosen
na
them
kasi ako.
and cause them to break loose.
Natakot na ako guys. Anti-stress
Spring
yung
locks
ano
become
yun
loose
guys.
while you are wearing a suit. Please try to maneuver away from isolated areas before bleeding out. That's not
Nakita kita, William Afton.
As always, if there is ever an emergency,
Nakita
please
kita.
go to the designated safe room. Every location
No,
is built with one extra room
please
that is
no.
not included in the
2
digital
AM
map
pa lang
layout
eh. 2 AM pa lang.
animatronics or security system. This room is hidden to customers, invisible to animatronics, and is always off camera. As always, remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's team.
Night 3. 2 AM na guys. Night 3. Ano yan? Ano yun? Ano yun? Si Balloon Boy ba yun? Natakot na ako guys. Natakot na ako. Sino yun? Sino yun? Sino yun, guys? Ano yun? Yung kanina dito. Yun siya. Ayun siya, guys. 5 AM na. Magna-night 4 na tayo. Magna-night 4 na tayo, guys. Let's go! Nabigla ako dun kay William Afton, gagi. Night 4. Chichika naman tayo, guys. Chichika naman tayo. Pwede ba ako dito, guys? Try natin. La! Pwede dito. Ibig sabihin ba nito, hindi na tayo mamamatay. Yan siya, guys, oh. Nag-ibang direction tayo. Nandito pa rin siya. Ito siya, guys. La, si Bonnet, si Freddy, guys. Error pa rin. Bawal. Oh, sabi ko na nga ba papatayin niya ako eh. Natakot na ako, guys, ha. Natakot na ako, guys. Takot naman to. Ito siya, guys, oh. Kita yun ba?
There's been a slight change of company policy concerning the use of the suit. Don't. After learning of an unfortunate incident at the sister location involving multiple and simultaneous spring lock failures, the company has deemed the suit temporarily unfit for employees. Safety is top priority at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, which is why the classic suits are being retired to an appropriate location.
Ito siya, guys. Nakakita yun ba, guys?
No replacements
Ito
arrive.
naman siya. Ito naman siya.
Wear the temporary costumes
No,
provided
video
to you.
error.
Keep in mind
Video
that they were
error.
found at very short notice, so questions about appropriateness/relevance should be deflected. I repeat, the classic suits are not to be touched, activated, or worn. That being said, we are free of liability. Do as you wish. As always, remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear.
Guys, malapit na siya sa akin. Mamamatay na ba ako, guys? 2 AM pa lang. So, katakot ng tsura niya, guys. Katakot. Umalis ka! Umalis ka dito! Okay, guys, video end. Bye-bye. Natakot na ako.